So in this easel tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit image brightness here on easel. So once you have easel opened up on your device, you first off have to add some images into your design. So go to the right hand side of your screen right below the text tab, press on the images icon. Then I'm just going to go ahead here and press on stock images. And how about find a photo of, something. I'll just search up money just for demonstration purposes. So different photos here of money, nice and straightforward. So how about I use this photo right here of a whole bunch of different, dollar bills, which I'll make a little bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see. Now, if you want to change the image brightness, it's actually fairly straightforward. Press on the image right here, go to the top left and press on effects. Then right down low below the filters icon, the filters tab, it says brightness. And as of right now, it's at 0. So if you slide this bar to the right, you're going to make the photo more bright, just like that. If you slide it to the left, you'll make it less bright. Just like that. So fairly straightforward, but that is how you guys can edit or adjust image brightness here on easel. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.